Howdy from high. We're rounded up here this morning for our 10th anniversary of Cowboy Bourbon. Cowboy 2024 is 6 to 8 year old, 283 piggy banks that I married together, produced right around 10,000 bottles. This one is a big old chocolate bomb. Hope you all enjoy it as much as I did making it.
I'm from McAllen, Texas. I drove in last night. I was the first one here. I watched the Garrison Brothers documentary, and that's what motivated me to come out here.
From Richmond, Texas. I got here 9:30 yesterday. Being able to come out here and enjoy bourbon with all these other people that are here to enjoy it as well. In the great state of Texas, great food, good music.
We got here about 2:30 this morning. It's a great experience coming out here. People are friendly, music's great. The bourbon is awesome, and it's just a great atmosphere.
I mean, Garrison Brothers is my favorite place. They got great bourbon, and then you meet the people out here who are just as crazy as us.
We've been to every single one of these for as long as I can remember, and this stuff is worth waiting for.
I think it's worth the trip because I think you've got the staff here that's really friendly, you've got the land to hang out in, and you've got a lot of bourbon to try.
We really enjoy coming out to Garrison Brothers. We bring the kids, and sometimes we bring our dog. It's an awesome space for the kids to run around and play.
I am a Texan woman, and Garrison is #1 in my book.
This is the 10th anniversary of Garrison Brothers Cowboy Bourbon, and we're damn proud of it. There's a lot of history around the Cowboy Bourbon. We started our first release of the Cowboy in 2014, and basically it was a bunch of leftover barrels. We called them the dregs because we didn't know what to do with them. So we mixed them all together, let them sit in a stainless steel tank for about 6 months, and we realized we had something special, so we released the Cowboy that day. Hope you get a bottle. If you do, you're really gonna like it.